everyone, and today's video is this pack with me video, and it was something. Alright, so I was filming this while actually packing like 15 minutes before we were supposed to leave, so I also was like making like my family wait for me so I could film the video while packing at the same time, so it was like legit. And yeah, it was really fast, but I got it done. And if you guys want to see what I packed and just how quickly and just all the things that I brought with me basically, then keep watching. And yeah, I will see you guys in a second. I feel like I totally forgot to mention where I'm going. I'm actually going to Las Vegas for a winter break vacation, and I'm going with my family and we're meeting our cousins there. So yeah, that's where I'm heading to for this vacation and what I'm packing for. Alright guys, so this is my luggage that I'm packing everything in, and this is the mess that I've created. There's my brother. So this is all the clothes. So I'm going to start with this first so I can put all this in there and then get all the toiletries and other stuff. I even made a list, sorry for my super messy desk, but I made this list. Oh, it's not focusing. Okay, there you go. Of everything, and it continues. So yeah, we got clothes. Oh, I gotta get my big jacket. Ew, this is a mess. I'm a mess. Okay. So I have this big white Columbia jacket. I'm gonna wear this because it's so cold there, so I know I'll be warm wearing this. I'm also gonna bring these two hoodies so I'll have an extra layer of warmth because I'm not like down to deal with the cold. I freeze super easily. I have this USA Washington DC jacket, and it's got this Washington DC on the sleeve and then this Fila jacket. So these two hoodies will keep me super warm. Oh, there's my camera thingy. And yeah. And I have these long sleeve shirts that I'm gonna bring with me. This one's from PacSun, and this one's from Brandy. This one's from, I'm not really sure. This one's also from Brandy. It's like a zip up. And this is somewhere that I don't really know, but it's really baggy and loose, and I can wear it for PJs. So here I have my Lululemon leggings that I'm going to bring, and then I also have these sweats. They're the exact same, just different colors. This one's black, this one's gray, and I'm gonna bring these so I stay super warm. Wow, okay, I just realized this is all just gray, black, white, and blue. Like that, I don't have any other color. So yeah, I'm kind of like baddish at packing, but I'm fitting it all in there, so that's good. And for my PJs, I just have these like shorts. They're like PE shorts. And then these sweats that I just wear for my PJs. I don't really wear these out. Same with this, is just a random big loose shirt. And here's another one. I just like wearing, I don't like have actual pajama sets. I just like wearing big comfy shirts and really comfortable pants or shorts. I usually wear shorts, but it's been so cold, so I think I'll be fine with shorts, but you never know. This is an update on how it looks so far. I kind of like all the colors, and I just like how this one is standing out because it's my only colorful thing, but yeah. Alright, so I'm only going for a few days, so I have all my underwear that I need, and I'm just gonna put this in like one of these things. So, I'm a huge mess, guys. It's okay. One of these like laundry thingies. I don't know why, I just feel like it'll be safer, so I'm gonna put them in here. Oh shoot, I forgot one, so I'm gonna put this one in there too. And zip it up. Okay, I also need to do the same with my bras, and I'm gonna put it in one of these. And I have my socks on here because I wear slip-on bands, so that's why they're like these kind of socks, and I'm just putting them in this compartment thingy right here. So yeah, and I also put all my bras and underwear in there, and then I have all this stuff. Okay, I am really glad I looked at my list because it said swimsuits, and I totally forgot about that, so I'm bringing this with me. So I'm bringing stuff like dry shampoo, moisturizer, eye cream. I'm just bringing this little sample from Sephora. And then I have this concealer that I use. I know I like made the shade and I love it, honestly. It's so much better. But I also brought this concealer. It's from NYX. And I have this brow gel from Gimme Brow. These are all like not really essentials, at least these makeup things. like some Marc Jacobs, a brow pencil, and then I have these mascaras. I have a Maybelline one, another Maybelline one, this CoverGirl one, this L'Oreal one, and then this Milk makeup one. I've been really into drugstore like mascaras and trying those out, so I kept all my high-end ones like at home. And I have this Benefit What's Up. I never really use it, but I just thought, why not be a little fancy and bring it. I also have my oil-free eye makeup remover, and that reminds me, I need to get my cleanser. Alright, I got it. This is my fresh soy face cleanser. I just started using it, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Oh, and I totally forgot lip balm. Don't want to forget this. So I have this Nivea one, and then I'm trying this Maybelline Baby Lips one. It has SPF 20, so I'm literally really down for that. And also, my sunscreen is in the car, so I'm totally remembering that, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in there too. I'm actually gonna take one with me, like, in the car, and instead of putting it in my luggage. And then, oh, I'm also gonna... Don't want to forget this. This is the Shiseido eyelash curler. Basically, eyelash curler. This is so essential. I love this and I totally need this. Oh, and I don't want to forget these. These are e.l.f. blotting sheets. And I got some face masks. So me and my cousin can have some fun with those. And yeah. This one's so cute. My friend gave me this. I thought it was so cute. And we can't forget about liners, and we also need to take, oh, hair ties. Hair ties, I need those. So I put my sunglasses and my earbuds in there, and then I have the camera charger, and then I also have my phone charger. This is a portable charger and like a regular charger all in one, which I thought was so cool. But I still brought the little plug thing, cube thing. I have my wallet, and I don't really know what else I need. I don't know if I bring my laptop or not, but if I do, then I'll have the laptop charger and the laptop with me. But otherwise, I think that's it. Oh, and of course, don't forget this camera. And yeah. And also I have my toothbrush and the charger with it. So I'm just gonna slide those like right in here. And my mom has brought like all the toothpaste and stuff like that. And don't want to forget my gifts for my family. I actually have all my gifts, and basically we're opening them at the hotel. So yeah, since it's Christmas Day and I'm packing, yeah, it's a mess. Can't forget about my trusty Hydro Flask with all the water that I will need. Alright guys, you have reached the end of the video, and if you stay till the end, then you are awesome. Thank you for staying through this entire video. That is amazing. Like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay, anyway, if you did, you should definitely subscribe, comment down below with something super nice, and give this video a big like, because that would be super appreciated and super nice of you to do. So yeah. By the way guys, you should definitely stay tuned for more videos that are coming up in the new year. You know, 2019 is coming up, and starting from 2019, I just want to start posting more videos, being super consistent with it. And yeah, I just want to see my channel grow into a great, beautiful channel with a big, you know, family of people. So yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys next week with a new one. Okay, bye. Okay, that was really weird.